I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and ride on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. It's picking up power. She died. It picked up power for a little bit. It was starting to get good power. It's so, the power on it's being so weird. I think my shifter broke off. Nope. Yeah, it won't shift down. Wow. Well, the shifter's done for. Put it all the way down first. It's in probably first. Let's try to start it. My clutch isn't working. The clutch isn't working, it's trying to kick it forward. And when I pull the clutch in, it's still turning it over. What the hell? Alright, it's in neutral. Shit. Well, it's in neutral again. Let's try to start it. Won't work, clutch won't work. It just shifted it up whenever I pushed it up. Wow, what's wrong with it? Try to lock that shifter in there.
What's she in now? What the hell is wrong with my clutch? What the shit? God damn it. What if I try to pick this back end up? Oh, I start it.